Hi everyone, today we are going to do an unboxing of the Samsung Gear S3 LTE version. Besides the Frontier, there is also the original S3 Gear Classic, which is cleaner and less rugged looking than the Frontier. Usually the guys would go for the Frontier and the girls would go for the Classic. The price for the watch is around $349 USD, not the cheapest for smartwatches, but certainly worth the features enough for me to consider getting it. Let's open up the box. And here we have the watch. It comes default in space grey with a black silicone watch strap and wireless charger. The build quality seems really good and solid compared with the Gear S2 Classic. The bezel also looks nice and is fun to turn. Apart from that, beneath the top compartment, we have a pouch and a USB cable for charging and some quick manual guides, which we will likely not read. Taking a closer look, the screen has a 1.3 AMOLED touchscreen display with a native resolution of 278 ppi. It has a 1 GHz Dual-Core Processor with a built-in 708 MB of RAM, along with 4 GB storage capacity for storing images and songs. For its wireless function, it has a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and NFC. At the back of the watch, it has a sensor for heart rate monitoring. The watch is also IP68 water and dust resistant, superior to many of its counterparts out there, and it also works well with not just Android but iOS platforms. To finish off its aesthetics, it is also interchangeable with various types of colored straps of various textures. The watch faces are also downloadable in the Samsung apps. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and overview of the Gear S3 Frontier. Do give me a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video.